Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Onebit Ventures. Now Onebit Ventures token is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They've almost hit their soft cap and they still have well over 4 days left of this pre-sale, so they're doing amazing already. I believe they are trending right now in the number 8 spot. Ticker symbol is ONB. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Onebit Ventures token. So they have a full audit here listed on PinkSale. They were audited by Solid Proof, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And besides that, they have an Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, and official webpage listed on PinkSale as well. So there's still 4 days, 20 hours, 26 minutes of this pre-sale left, and they're almost at their soft cap. Their soft cap is 100,000 BUSD, which is basically $100,000 USD. It's Binance tokens pegged to the US dollar, and they've already sold 87,856.21 BUSD. So they've already sold $87,000 worth of tokens. So that's amazing. Almost at the soft cap and still well over 4 days left. So max contribution is 500 BUSD for this pre-sale. So far they've had 223 different contributors. Initial market cap estimate is $142,710. One Ventures is the name of the token. ONB is the ticker symbol, 18 decimal places. Total supply, 28 million tokens. 1.3 million tokens for pre-sale, 668,000 tokens for liquidity. Now, if you missed the pre-sale, you still want to get this token, no worries. Shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be moving over to PancakeSwap for purchase over there, and liquidity will be locked for 180 days on PancakeSwap. It says Onebit Ventures is an investment fund that obtains a massive community ecosystem, allowing users to gain access to DeFi platforms in the easiest, safest, and most cost-effective way as possible. As a licensed fund management company of innovative startups, we strive to obtain the fund in a transparent, reasonable, and efficient manner, providing safety to our investors. So, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says only 0.68% of the tokens are unlocked, 4.9% go to pre-sale, 2.38% go to liquidity, 22% go to the insurance rewards, 20% staking, 20% founders and team, 13.5% ecosystem, 7.5% liquidity, 6% marketing and partnerships, and lastly 3% advisors. Now there is a couple quick audits, one by DeFi Moon and one by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and there's no red flags or warnings or anything bad in the audits. It just says, no mint function found, owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment, owner cannot change the fees over 10%, owner cannot set max transaction, owner cannot change trading status, and owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, which is onebit.capital, they have lots of info over there. It says, invest to create real values, building, connecting, and supporting projects and investors in the field of blockchain technology. So some of their features, they have an investment fund. The investment fund is built up of funds from founders, angel investors, and community investment funds in projects. They have a startup pad. Onebit Ventures also develops a platform to support crowdfunding through a DeFi launcher to invest in projects using blockchain technology. And community. We truly believe that community is an essential part of Onebit Ventures. That's why we have built the ecosystem based on the community development. So Onebit Ventures is an investment fund that obtains a massive community ecosystem, allowing users to gain access to the DeFi platform in the easiest, safest, and most cost-effective way possible. As a licensed fund management company of innovative startups, we strive to obtain the fund in a transparent, reasonable, and efficient manner, providing safety to our investors. Established in 2017, Onebit Ventures has grown to become the investment fund with the largest and most trusted communities in Vietnam. Besides that, we are established network with other partners in the region to help the community of Onebit Ventures to expand even further. Onebit Ventures aspires to be the leading technology, particularly blockchain ecosystem, by connecting blockchain communities in Vietnam all around the world, supporting promising and transparent blockchain projects with a vision of practical applications that bring great benefit and, above all, ensure safety for investors, as well as supporting and developing blockchain platforms created by intellectuals and accompanying their values to the rest of the globe. Their mission is to establish an ecosystem of reputable blockchain communities and to encourage initiatives using the innovative technology in order to contribute to the creation of exponential development of a solid foundation for the digital industry, while also providing full market information, a place where users are free to discuss and evaluate risky projects transparently, as well as gain access to DeFi investment platforms in the simplest, safest, and most effective way possible through community building and progress towards mutual goals. Their core value is building, connecting, and supporting projects and investors in the blockchain technology. So they have their portfolio on here that you could check out with all sorts of different companies. Their partners are listed all on their webpage. Their team is listed all on here too. Faces, job titles, full names, and then their socials at the bottom of their page. Check it out. Onebit.capital is their webpage, and you can find them trending right now on Pink Sale, and there's still 4 days left of this pre-sale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.